Alright, today I wanted to show you guys a tiny little area that has it's just a very small little neighborhood, but I thought I'll just show you down Airport Way here. We've got a movie theater. One movie theater. Across from it, we've got a pawn shop. We've got our gas station. I think that one might be for sale right now. So where a hot pot place was. Arctic Home Living, that's where you can go and get hot tubs, things like that. It's really great. And then Family Diner, another restaurant right down there. And of course, there's McDonald's, the Subway, and our one VR arcade area, which is really fun. But I'm gonna do this one just in pieces along the way, and then we'll do a walk through the neighborhood. All right, next place down, we have our medical center. It didn't point out that there's a Wendy's between the movie theater and the medical center, but now you can see it. There's a whole bunch of places inside here, counseling, otherwise, and then there is what is it now? A Comfort Inn here down next. We might just skip over that one and then start getting to the actual neighborhood. I'd actually forgotten about it. We have around the corner here, we got Wilbur Street coming across the airport. We've got sushi place. Then we also have Summit Chiropractic. So we got some options, some fun things right here. And then just down over here, that's where the neighborhood starts. All right, here we're at McCullum and Wilbur Street. And real fun thing is actually down here is a home that my brother purchased and did some renovations on. And then the next person purchased it, did some more renovations on it. So double, triple renovated. That'd be really fun. Something happened. Nice. There's a big fence. There are a lot of additions over there. You guys say no. All right, then we're to Conrad Street. So we'll pull off over there. We won't do the full round. There we go. Conrad. So we'll go down that one right now. A lot of trash gets picked up on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so that's probably why these cans are still out here. ton of activity. They're just in the back corner back here. Alright, out here we got the club and Moore Street. Alright, just across the street now. We've got, here's the house. So my brother redid the roof. I think they redid the roof too. That was a really nice one. The logs were a lot of fun. I remember reviewing those logs. A little sandy and otherwise. And we have over here. Actually, Moore Street Senior Apartments. Right. Oh, and the Fairbanks Senior Center. See, you just gotta walk a little further. Check out the other side. We got Egan Avenue here. Then, so we got Senior Center. And over here is the Pioneer Home. We'll go all the way down the driveway here. We actually, my family and I, would go and do service at the Pioneer Home around Christmas. And we go and we go through all the hallways next to the seniors' rooms, and we hang up decorations. We help decorate trees. Hey! All right, now we'll go down Egan Avenue. Another one. There's a couple buildings here that are duplexes that don't really look like duplexes. There's one of them. You can see A and B mailboxes. Another duplex. Over on this side is just very rough tree forest. It's kind of what you see through most things. It's a lot of tall plants and otherwise. That's a whole nother video if I walk down through there. Another duplex. That's the first standalone home. This one is a duplex. I'm trying to remember, I think it's like upstairs, downstairs in there, but that's a real nice duplex too. There you go, A and B again. See, I said some, and it's most of them. You see all these cracks that have been redone on the road. It's that permafrost. A little raised up for everything else. And then back to the other side of the Conrad Avenue. There you go. Ooh, Trismussen. Well, there you go. Flat roof home with quite the yard. I love cute mailboxes like that. School bus. The kind of trailer when I was a kid, we'd see how far you could push it. Have a strength contest for the family. That's a fun front yard. There's Key. There we go. Back out to Wilbur Street. Here's our correctional center just down over there. And then just on the other side of that, there's some soccer fields and otherwise. And a youth facility. Cool. All right. Thanks for joining me on this quick walk. Oh, there you go. Alaskan Summers.